Hello everybody and a happy Saturday to you. This is Lubeto Nazareth and it's time for my digital week marketing news. The segment is all about recent happenings in the digital marketing world and I'm going to take you through everything that has happened in the last week in digital marketing. But first, remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos. So let's dive right in. First up, we have Facebook. Now, Facebook is removing the Our Story section from the pages next month. Now, Our Story section was created way back in 2017 to prove and to provide businesses with a section to talk about their brand and why it was created. The Our Story section was specifically helpful for companies to be able to give a sense of their company culture, what they stand for and how they started, etc. Instead, Facebook is now urging businesses to move this information to the additional information section of their Facebook page. Now, this change means that business owners must remember to manually move their description if they want to keep this for public consumption, or it'll just be removed. Now, the next update is from TikTok, and TikTok now is my favorite app. Why? Because we're on it. Check us out on TikTok. But TikTok now added a new Q&A section which enables fans to post questions for creators and allows creators to more directly answer and respond to their audience questions with either text or video responses. Now, you know that this feature works across both video and live stream, but is actually currently only available to select creators who have opted for this test. Now, on TikTok, Q&A is a very big part of the commenting experience, as many creators respond to individual comments by publishing a new video that explains their answer in either more detail rather than a short text comment ever could. Sometimes these answers are meant to clarify or to add context, while other times creators will take on their bullies and troll them back with their video responses. Now, as a result, the TikTok comment section has grown to play a larger role in shaping TikTok trends and culture. The next story we have is again from Facebook, and Facebook has announced a significant update to its automatic alt text process, or AAT, which will ensure that more images on the platform are readable by screen readers, enabling vision impaired users to get a better experience within Facebook apps. Now, Facebook first launched its AAT process way back in 2016, enabling automated identification of objects within posted images via a machine learning process. Now, wherever manual alt text descriptions were not provided, but in its initial iteration, the process was fairly limited to whatever Facebook has been working on ever since, and their update is still pending. Next on our list is a piece of news from WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp, as you know, had a massive fiasco with its confidentiality and privacy policies. They issued and it postponed, they issued a retraction, clarification and postponed its February 8th deadline for accepting an update to its conditions, adding it would use the hiatus to actually clear up misinformation about privacy. Now, WhatsApp also clarified that no one will have their account suspended or deleted on February 8th, and that they are going to do a lot more to clear up misinformation about WhatsApp's privacy and security protocols. Now, according to me, somebody got fired, and somebody got fired bad. But last but not least, my favorite app, Pinterest, has showcased its new dynamic creative and process. Now, this process will help advertisers automate the ad targeting and creation procedure for their campaigns. And the campaigns are going to be based on user behavior. Now, as you know, dynamic creative ads, Pinterest has made partnerships and signed up deals with RevJet, Stitcher Ads, Smartly.io, and a whole bunch of deals are soon to be launched. But This will effectively help businesses create hundreds of ads automatically, that too with unique content which is dedicated for every audience segment, and a process which will be very useful to businesses, especially in the e-commerce segment. And it's a good step for Pinterest to push the app towards e-commerce as well. Now, that's all we have for this week's digital marketing news. We will definitely see you next week with a lot of exciting news from the world of digital marketing. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye. God bless.